Now let's move on and copy the code inside this style folder. Inside that there's a file home.module.css. Paste this file, delete the existing code, copy it and just paste it here. And now open index.js file, site pages folder, and just remove the code and just copy complete code. Now create a constants folder here. Here we will keep our configurations. New folder, constants, create a file. Inside that folder there's a folder which is index.js, and inside it you need to copy these. Now what are these? It's an NFT contract API, NFT contract address, token contract API, token contract address. So basically we have to copy the contract API from the last contract that we have created. Let's just do it. Constant index.js, just copy these two and just paste it in place of it from the NFT contract. Okay, I think here it is. We need to change the name. Yes. Okay, that's the same name, so we can delete it. And now